Ciao, ciao, good morning. So, we're currently at the train station. I didn't really vlog anything because we were on our way to the train station. We had to take trash out. It was a lot. So, currently, we are waiting for our train to arrive on this little board over here so we can get on the train and make our way to London. That's really all I've got for right now. Got some snacks in my bag, aka I got some fruits, and I got this big bottle of water.
Number 9.
Okay, so now we must go. Okay, so that was like the most stressful, like, 45 minutes ever. I started my period, joy, and we had to rush to this train because it didn't even tell us what platform it was on until like 5 minutes before the train was about to leave. So we had to run and load on this freaking shuttle train to go to the airport. And so now we're on our way to the airport, and I'm getting really nervous because this is, ooh, hello. We're just getting closer and closer to this flight, and me personally, I'm afraid of planes. Avery is not. It's getting real hectic because we have like a certain time frame to check in and give them our bags and everything, and we really won't get there until like an hour and a half before our flight leaves. So we're hoping that everything goes smoothly and we don't run into any problems, because that will just be annoying and stressful. But it's a pretty day, so that's good. It's not going to be that pretty in London, I don't think, but it's pretty now, so that's all that really matters. I look a mess. It took a lot to get here and we're still not done. We have 30 minutes to get on this freaking plane, so wish us luck. Update, I have 20%, and we made it through quickly and we're on time for our flight. Now we just have to find the gate, which is quite far. Now we're finding our gate, which isn't super far, hopefully. And yeah, but good news is we made it through all of the little checks and things. Now we just wait.
Just for a moment, I went alone, lost my focus. You already noticed, cause in a blink of an eye I was flying. Yeah, did I mention I was not paying attention when you looked my direction? And in a blink of an eye I was falling. Mama said to look all the ways, watch out where you're going, but I still made the same mistake. Without even knowing, all I wanna do, yeah, is keep on crashing into you. Yeah, all I wanna do, yeah, is keep on crashing into you, into you. I just wanna bomb, break, crash, explode every time you look.
But I'm ready to give you all my love. We made it. It's windy. I felt like
It's not windy.
no, it was windy when you walk off. If my wig hair is blowing in my face, it's windy. Do you see? Yeah, exactly. Thank you. I felt like a boss when I got off the plane because my hair started to blow in my face and I was holding the rail like a grown-up. Look at my hair blowing in the wind. Amazing. Amazing. It is. And Avery is embarrassed. Oh, whoops, whoops. We have to go upstairs to find our bags. So.
But I still made the same mistake without even knowing. All I wanna do is keep on crashing into you.
So, now we're on the shuttle to go to the train station. Yes, the train station. This is a lot. I'm super confused, but we're gonna get through it. So, oh yay!
Every crash explode. Every time you look at me, I know all I wanna do is keep on crashing into you. Yeah, all I wanna do is keep on crashing into you. Now I got you by my side. Now I got you in my life. I'll never be the same. Never be the same. I can't stay and I can't go. Oh, it's out of my control. We're going up in flames. Going up in flames. Oh, I wanna burn, 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 burn. I wanna burn, burn. Break crashes. That's all I wanna do. Yeah, that's all I want. Tell me you look at me, I know.
The wig is off. Okay,
Are you putting this on your vlog?
Yup. It was way too hot for that wig. But as you can see, we have good lighting in this room and nice little graffiti on the wall. She has that on her side. It's flowers.
Very earthy.
Some fake flowers.
They real.
And our room is so tiny. Literally, what you guys are seeing, that's how big it is. It's a box. It's barely a box. It's literally like a triangle. But nothing to really complain about because we're in London. I try not to curse on
the
this.
incorrect password.
So, look at the view. We're in a pretty good area though. Now,
Is the breakfast free?
yes. Now we're just adjusting ourselves, I guess. And I'm gonna put my wig back on and we're gonna go eat. And then we're gonna meet with her friend, maybe. And then we will be going to see Black Panther, hopefully. I have to look up times.
See it after we eat.
Now we're gonna go. We decided on Nando's, and there is a fine black specimen. Nope, not that fine, but has a
So
nice
you would
body.
still be. Oh, sorry.
Anyway, so we're gonna go to Nando's. We decided on that, and then we're gonna go see Black Panther. Maybe, probably. I think so.
Okay, so it's
Discuss the fact that they have so many, well, 3 different flavors of Doritos, and I feel like I'm gonna have to buy some before I leave. Ciao, ciao. Briana's stomach hurts. This is one I don't know if it's real or not, so I'm just gonna sit here. We're gonna see Black Panther. I haven't seen it. It came out
a month ago.
forever ago. A month ago. No, not exactly. A month and a week ago. And I'm finally getting to see it. The person who was supposed to go see it with me, but she already went, so. And yeah,
She's bitter.
I am. We just kind of sat here thinking about how much money we spent today. About $200 American, and all we did was eat, buy a movie ticket, and buy a train ticket and take some money out. So when I say it out loud, it makes sense. It does. But this crap is expensive, like dumb expensive. This movie ticket was 25 American dollars basically. Yeah, there's a lot going on, my guy. Ooh, Jesus, you guys don't understand. But yeah, I'm finally gonna go see this movie. I've been so excited, and I'm so happy to be in London. I literally got here, fell in love with it, and then that was the end. Like, I knew that I wanted to live here. The moment I saw the baby townhomes, and I was just like, oh my god. So, one day, and I've been practicing my accent, and honestly my accent is not bad. I'm just too scared to like say it to a real like Brit, because then I'm scared they're gonna get offended, and we don't need all that. But it's basically the synopsis of what's been going on. Sorry I've been such a sucky vlogger today, kind of. Everything is just so choppy. Tomorrow maybe everything should be a little bit better. I'm not gonna make any promises, but it's a goal, because tomorrow it's gonna be raining, so I actually might not even vlog tomorrow at all, because we're not doing that much anyway. We're just gonna go to the mall and go to this expensive store, and that's probably it. I might try to pick up some makeup, but yeah, it's just, you know, there's a lot to do, so I was forgetting to vlog basically all day. You guys can't see the screen, but it's like a curve, so that everyone can see like basically every angle.
Almost makes it $25 worth.
It was $25. I just want to talk. That movie, I'm pretty sure everyone has seen it by now, so y'all know it's not as sad. I mean, it's sad, but how many of you like, but y'all ain't cry? See, I cried at the end. Why did I cry? I don't know. Overwhelmed with so much emotion, and just, it took so long. I am very, 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 very proud of it. Great job to everybody.
Sorry,
Because y'all see how she be doing that? I'm gonna put every clip of Abe doing that in a YouTube video, and it's gonna take up a smooth 30 minutes. But look, anyways, I can finally like do the X with my arms without feeling left out. I'm very happy to finally be in this position in life. Thanks for taking me out to the ball game, Trader. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. You know, I could really edit this tomorrow. And alright.
Couple bitches in the city, living legend. Oh, the reverend. Preach yourself, waiting in the